This is episode 2 of Unwild Bradley Vlogs Food Cookery Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to make delicious cheese on toast. Enjoy! So, you need to light the grill, just like the other day I did. Turn it on. There you go. I thought it was going to play up then, but it didn't. Make sure it's lit. Yeah, blue flames in. Plonk the bread in. Just basically like the other episode when I was cooking my toast. Put it in and put it to cook. Okay, with this toast, you know, like the other day when I said let it go golden brown, you don't want it to let it go too brown because obviously the cheese is going to cook it, and in some places it might burn if you don't fill enough holes in. So now you turn it over and you'd start over again. Not quite done, guys, just a bit more. Okay guys, that is done. If you want to add butter to, or shall I say margarine, margarine, whatever is best, you can add a bit of marge or butter to your toast. Just makes it a bit more creamier. But, you know, not too much, just a normal portion, as you can probably see here. The cheese is quite fatty, so that'll be like, pretend that's like marge sort of thing. So butter that one, butter that one, and then in a minute I'm going to put the cheese on. So just a portion here. It's just to make it more flavour. You don't have to put marge on if you don't want to, but I just like it with a bit of marge to make it tastier and bring the flavour out. Okay guys, now I'm going to go and put my cheese on that one, just like this. Okay, I've done one. As you can see, it's all done out, spread around the bread to stop it burning. But when it does cook, my advice is when it starts to cook, just spread it around to stop it burning the edges, as you can see. And when I sometimes make my own cheese on toast, I can't resist to take a bit of cheese. Keeps me going, guys. Gotta get back to work. Gotta do the other one. Well, as you can see, all the cheese is covered. Now I'm going to turn the grill back up high and I'm going to put it in. There you go, and wait for it to cook. Okay guys, this is what I'm on about. Now I'm going to go and get a knife and spread the cheese around to stop the edges from burning. Plus it'd all be a bit like lumpy in one bit than the other. If I spread it like that, it's just fills in the gaps. And the same for the other side, just filling in the gaps. Probably making you all hungry at home, but you can make this anytime you want. This is definitely a lunchtime meal. Well, lunch, whatever it's called. keeps you going till dinner. This cheese is quite rich. Fills you up. Okay. So put my knife back. I'm going to put it back in the grill and then it should be cooked. Here it goes. It's nearly cooked. A few more seconds and that should be done. It's done. So I'm going to take that out. I'm going to carefully, not without burning my hands, put it onto the plate, and we're going to let it cool down for a couple of secs. Put the grill back, look at all my mess. But it can't be helped though, lamb just getting a bit of cheese into the grill. Well, there you go, that's how you make perfect cheese on toast. From scratch. I'm going to try it now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Remember to hit the subscribe button where my finger's pointing today, and this goes for the RL crew as well. Please subscribe to them today. You know, when you go into my channels, the whole RL crew list should be there. Please subscribe to them today, and subscribe to Anthony's channel, which is Unwell Community 3.0 today, as he's not doing very well on subscribers at the moment, guys. Okay then, next, I'm trying to think now, next episode will be me showing you how to make a cheese sandwich. Lovely cheese sandwich from scratch. You can make any cheese sandwich you want, like topping wise and all that. Okay then guys, I'm going to enjoy now. Enough of me talking. Peace out. Delicious. Peace out.